really is about the small wins. I mean, to me this is huge because it's water. But, so we all know I built the water tower. Well, I got my east chalk put up all the way recently also. And then this barrel here, you can add a overflow pipe to it. And it connects to another barrel like it. But I didn't have one, so I made one. I also put a screen on that, but there's a screen on the top of this barrel also that's built in. It's that style. And I added this spigot at the end. It's not very fancy, but it works. But my excitement, this is what it's all about, guys. Yay! It's working. I have water in the second barrel. Just thought I would share that with y'all. So, definitely a huge win. There. It is working. So turn that off. And extra, turn that off. So I just have to hook a hose up here. This was just to make sure it didn't leak. Big, beautiful raspberries. Just amazing. Don't you just love it when you think you're recording and you're not, and you're talking away and nothing. So, a couple years ago, this raspberry patch, this is the main patch over here. It's huge. Just got ruined. The deer ate them, and the snow really damaged the whole patch actually. So it's taken a few years for it to bounce back. And so far, so because that one got ruined, I let them grow wherever else they wanted. And I have these big, beautiful homesteader raspberries right in the garden. And right here with the grapes. Like, they're not just little, they're huge. Truly blessed, friends. This whole area where my garden is, was all raspberries when I first moved onto the property. So, today we're picking raspberries. Hallelujah. Last night I had the most beautiful dream. Well, maybe it was this morning because I went back to bed for a little while. My dad, John, also known as Jake, and my grandfather, Tom, my mom's dad, was in it. And what a blessing. So I'm out here harvesting raspberries. Even the perfectly imperfect are perfect. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I will move on. But I just wanted to show you these beans are really coming on to it. Like, look at this. I am so blessed. I am so happy. This is what it's about, friends. Look, and we even got a visitor enjoying the fruit of the labor. Just having a little suckle he is. Whoops, sorry, buddy. Anyway. And little beans everywhere, friends. Isn't it beautiful? And there's some dill and some carrots. and even more carrots. I just uncovered them because I've had them covered since I started them. Just trying to protect everything a little bit. So, out in the garden, enjoying life. Just amazing. And based on all these little flowers, we should soon start seeing little tomatoes. So that's quite exciting.